Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 6A and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by unlocking the screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's start with the first secret code. So let me open the hardware test mode. So let's enter the following code: asterisk hash 64663 hash asterisk. As you can see, the MMI group pops up. This is the test mode that you can use. Here you can perform the auto test, but you can also check the version info. For example, the dual SIM card test. You can pass fail or power pass. You can test your LCD. So you can test all colors of your screen. You can test your charger, battery, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, proximity, speaker, for example. Also the receiver, headset and other stuff. You can also use here more key in order to check the version info. Here you've got, for example, serial number, email number and other stuff. You can also see the manufacturer info and the hardware information right here. Alright, so that's it. Let me quit this hardware test mode and now let me show you how to enter the testing menu. So let's use this code asterisk hash 4636 hash asterisk. As you can see, the following testing menu pops up. So here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. For example, you can check the phone information such as the current network, signal strength, data service. You can also here run a ping test and use the following options. You may also see here the following menu, and here you can choose, for example, view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, view service dialing numbers, or enable data connection. So let's go back, and here you can also check the battery info. So here you can select the battery status, battery care, battery health, or battery temperature. You may also check other stuff such as the usage statistics, and here you can read the list of all apps and you can get access to the following info such as the last time use or usage time. You may also check the Wi-Fi info. Here you can use the Wi-Fi API when you may disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks or get connection info. You can see also the Wi-Fi config. Here you've got configured networks and the Wi-Fi status. So this is the list of the Wi-Fi statistics. Let me go back, let me quit the testing menu, and you may also enter the calendar info. So let's use this code asterisk hash 225 hash asterisk, and the calendar info pops up. So here you can read about the events from your calendar. Let's go back. You may also enter the Google Play services mode. So let's enter the following code asterisk hash 426 hash asterisk. That's it, the Google Play services pops up. Here you can read the following info such as the ping, connect, disconnect, events or status of your device. Let's go back, let's enter right now debug UI. So let me enter this code asterisk hash 759 hash asterisk, and sometimes the debug UI menu may pops up. It depends on the version of your device. And at the end, let me show you how to check email number by using the secret code. So let's use asterisk hash 06 hash, and the email number pops up in front of you. Let's tap OK to close it, and basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.